Top 10 Car Wash in Minneapolis. 1. Holiday Stationstores, Car Wash, 5 reviews, Broadway St. 2. North Star Car Wash, 4.9, 239 reviews, Stinson Blvd. 3. Tommy's Express Car Wash, 4.6, 1066 reviews, Bass Lake Road. 4. WaterWerks Car Wash, 4.4, 1262 reviews, Louisiana Ave S. 5. Holiday Stationstores, Car Wash, 4.4, 11 reviews, North 5th Street. 6. Mr. Car Wash, 4.3, 678 reviews, Central Avenue NE. 7. Midway Express Car Wash, 4.3, 636 reviews, Energy Park DR. 8. Holiday Stationstores, Car Wash, 4.3, 11 reviews, Cedar Avenue S. 9. WaterWerks Car Wash, 4.2, 521 reviews, West 66th Street. 10. Octopus Car Wash and Detail Center, 4, 337 reviews, Douglas Drive N.